welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Providence here. This is just an impromptu video, nothing really too serious on this video, so yeah, it's gonna be really short. So I'm really excited because I want to share with you guys the essentials that I've been using for weight loss that has really helped me, and it has made weight loss very easy for me. And on this low carb diet I want to share with you guys, so I'm really excited about it. And yeah, so if you want to watch this video, want to see what I've been using, my essentials, keep on watching. So yesterday I went to the gym, I climbed on the scale, and I saw that I am way past my pre-pregnancy weight, which I'm really excited about. Now I just have to lose my pre-wedding weight. That's my next goal. So the goal of losing the baby weight, thank God I did it, but I still have mommy pouch, which I have to still work on. So yeah, it's an ongoing process, but I'm really excited that I'm now like where I have to be like before I got pregnant with my daughter. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to share with you guys the essentials that I've been using that have been really amazing. So the first one is the almond flour. You need this if you're on a low carb ketogenic diet. This is a bae, like seriously. I made pizza with this. It was so good, like it was so good, so easy, and it's just really amazing. I love it, like a substitute for flour. It's just really good. So every ketogenic dieters need this product. It's just really amazing. So the other one is the psyllium husk. So I'm using the organic psyllium husk. Let me tell you guys, if you're an African and you love to eat fufu and you love, it's so good, and also it's fiber. So when you're on a low carb diet, you need a lot of fiber in your system, and this stuff is really good. You can just you can mix it in water and drink it. It's really good because it has fiber. You need that fiber to kind of ease you and everything. So this is really good. I love it. I use it to make like low carb fufu, like cabbage fufu for like okra soup or any other type of soup and stuff like that. So it's really good. The other one that I love is the solar bread. I recently just found this and it's been a lifesaver. Like I recently just found this, and I think I first found it from All Things Cam. She does like low carb ketogenic, like what she eats in a day. Guys, like this bread is so good. It only has 2 net grams of carbs and it's amazing. Really pricey, very pricey. For just like a small thing, very pricey, like $8.95. But I got it at Publix. It was on sale like for $3.99. I was like, ooh, okay, that's really good. So I got it. It's really good, guys. Like if you don't want to miss all the bread and all the like carbs and stuff, that's a good product for you to have. The next one I cannot do without is this. This is my best friend. Like this is my best friend because I can make quesadilla with it. I can eat it with tacos. I can do some fajitas. Like this thing is big. Like you need it. I got this from Walmart. It's pricey, to be honest. It's really pricey, $4, but it's really good. It's a low carb mission carb balance whole wheat. It has only 2 net grams of carbs, which is really good. So yeah, I really love it. They have the bigger one too, you can use for like quesadillas and stuff. So yeah, like when my husband is eating like bread and stuff, I'm like, okay, I still have my own thing, you know. If I make like tacos for us, I'll eat that. If I make quesadillas, I'll use that. So I'm not missing out that much, you know. Another thing is the Xanthegum. The Xanthegum is good when you want to bake. I love baking now. Like I try to like bake stuff, like different breads and stuff, like pizza, keto bread. Even the other day I made the cloud bread. It was really good. So Xanthegum is really good to give it that like tenderness and freshness. So you can use it for soups, you can use it for baking. So it's really pricey. All this ketogenic stuff are really pricey, but they're really amazing. So yeah, so this is an essential for you to have when you're baking. Like if you're a baker, like if you want to bake like cake and stuff, which I'm gonna try do cheesecake maybe this weekend or next weekend. So yeah. What is this? So another essential is sweeteners. I use the organic all-purpose blend pure sweetener. I'm not big on sweeteners because I really don't just like the taste it gives afterwards. So I'm very careful when I use it, just a little bit. But it has 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sodium, and 0 net carbs. And yeah, so it's just really good. That's why I use it for like if I want to put in my baking, like cookies or whatever, I just use this. But a small amount goes a long way. So yeah, so a small amount goes a long way. So I use it for my tea and all those stuff. So another essential that I just recently found out that I love so much is this. The 100% peanuts creamy natural peanut butter. Let me tell you something, guys. It's not sweet like peanut butter. It just has like the normal taste of peanuts. But I just love the fact that I have something to spread on my bread. And with this and the solo bread, it's really good. I have it for breakfast like literally every day ever since I found this out. It's really good. It's very creamy. When you take it out, it's just like very like creamy. It's vegan friendly. It doesn't have GOM. It's gluten free, 0 trans fat. So yeah, I just no sugar or salt added. It's very good. And this is what I'm giving my daughter as well, trying to make her get used to like peanuts. So this is what I give her as well. So it's really nice. I just love it. Like, it's better than the other peanut butter. My husband likes that. He doesn't like anything that's like so natural. He's like, no. So another essentials that I found out I am in love with. I'm in love with. She's staring at me. You're laughing, right? Okay, so these are the bars. Like this one is the Keto Cookie. It's really good when you just want to snack on something. I got like, it's 2 for $4. I got 2. It's really good. It's vegan friendly, a little bit pricey for just one cookie, but guys, like, it's really good. My husband even liked this because I gave him and he likes it. And he only has 3 grams net carbs and 18 grams of protein. It's vegan friendly. It has non-GMO. It's grain and gluten free, you know. So this is made with almond flour. So yeah. And then another one is the Quest bar. I just finished eating. My daughter's even playing with the bar. I just finished eating this one. Like, yeah, mama. Yeah. So this is the white chocolate raspberry one. They come in different flavors. I'm gonna actually buy on Friday. I'm going to Publix again to get more essentials. So yeah, like, they're really good just to have something to snack on. I'm really excited about it. Like, it's just good when you're on a low carb or like any diet as a whole. You have to make it more like fun so that you're able to eat all these things. You're not lacking, you're not feeling like left out and stuff. So, and all these essentials I have has made me really like embrace this diet and make me feel really good. Like, another essential you need is electrolytes. I ordered electrolytes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be here like in few days because it's good for you to take your minerals. I still take my postpartum, my prenatal vitamins. I take vitamin C just to have all my minerals. I'm not lacking, nothing deficient or whatever. I have my fiber, which is the psyllium husk. I put in water and drink to make sure that I'm not lacking anything while not eating those carbs and stuff. But I'm really loving this diet. I'm pretty sure like I'm making a lifestyle changes for myself, not just a diet. I'm making a very good lifestyle change for myself. So I'm really excited. These are the essentials and I hope you guys go check this out. Check all this essential out. And if you're just a starter, you're starting the keto or the low carb diet, these are good things to have on hand. They will help you to ease out like the cravings and all those stuff. So this is what I want to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I love you guys and have a beautiful day. Bye guys.